Let's make this quick and easy macaroni salad, a must-have at potlucks and family gatherings. Its creamy, tangy, and slightly sweet flavor combined with the soft textures of pasta makes it a universally loved side dish. This video will guide you through everything you need to know to make the best macaroni salad. The first thing you want to do is season your pasta water. We don't only just add salt, we add a little flavoring. We'll list everything that we do in the description bar below. But you want to add your pasta into the water after it comes to a boil. And quick tip, do not overcook the pasta. You want the pasta slightly firm to hold its shape in the salad. When your pasta is finished cooking, then you want to rinse the pasta. I know we seasoned it, but you have to rinse off some of the pasta so that it can cool to prevent clumping and to prevent the pasta from cooking even more and getting mushy. Now we're just going to chop up our vegetables like our onions, our sweet pepper, our scallion. We're using peppers of different colors so that it can have a nice, beautiful, vibrant color. After that, we will be making our dressing. A quick tip for the dressing is start off with less and add more if needed because we don't want an overly wet salad. And for this dressing, we're going to add mayonnaise, vinegar, sugar, and some seasonings. We did more than just the average black pepper and salt. We added some complete, and like I said, everything will be listed in the description bar below. Give that a mix, and now it's time to dress up that beautiful pasta and make it into a nice pasta salad. Add your pasta to the bowl and then add in all the ingredients that you've chopped up. To this pasta salad, we're also adding in some mixed vegetables. We used frozen, but you can definitely use fresh carrots and peas if you want to. Then you're just going to top it off with that delicious dressing. And to make sure that you are mixing this thoroughly, mix, because you want every single pasta to get some love of that beautiful dressing. And like I said earlier, if you need more, just make a little more and add it gradually. We hope you guys enjoyed this delicious and easy macaroni pasta salad. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next recipe.